A very good morning to one and all present. Myself Naila from St.Georgia Girls School, Hajipur. I am going to present to you History Lesson 1 for Class 8, topic How, When and Where, India and the Modern World. The history of a country is divided into ancient, medieval and modern periods. Over last 2 years, you have been introduced to the ancient and medieval period of Indian history. This year, in Class 8, you will learn about the modern period of Indian history. This is usually considered to begin with the conquest of India by the British in the 18th century, extending till India became independent in 1947. However, this demarcation of modern history differs from country to country. For example, in the 16th century, Europe was already on the threshold of the modern period, while India was still in the medieval period. The modern period in India extends roughly from the middle of the 18th century to the present time. Though this period covers the history of only 250 years, revolutionary changes took place not only in India but also in other parts of the world. This period saw revolution in the United States of America, France, Russia and China, unification of Italy, Germany, imperialism, colonialism and the two wars. This period is also significant as the Indian people awoke to the right to freedom. They strove for freedom and unity and finally became independent in 1947. But these 200 years were of turmoil, tribulation and suffering. Importance of dates. How important are dates? Historians were fascinated with dates. History is about changes that occur over time, finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. History was an account of battles and big events. It was about rulers and the policies. Historians wrote about the year a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he fought a particular war, the year he died, and the year the next ruler succeeded to the throne. For events such as these, specific dates can be determined. Which dates? What do we need to know? When do we need to know? The dates we select and compose our story of the past are not important. They become vital because we focus on a particular set of events as significant. The chronology of different personalities' lives marked the different chapters of the history of British India. It is to give each chapter some coherence. It is to tell a story in a way that makes some sense and can be followed.